I'm going to show you how to install RAM into this Dell desktop. It's a rather simple matter, just a trick of knowing how to open the case and get access to the RAM slots. First, of course, unplug the desktop, ground yourself. The first trick is to open the case, and with these Dell desktops there's a simple release mechanism. The simple cases, you have to find that release mechanism. Now if you orient the case like this, it's on the top in the back. You pull back on this lever and the case pops up, case panel pops up, and you can just pull it up, angle it back, and pull it off. Now that we're inside, to get better access to the RAM, we need to remove this CD-ROM drive, and that's also easy. There's a blue tab here on the left side. You simply pull this up and it releases this. So while you're pulling up, you can slide this back. That's all you do. And now you can lift it out. And this is still connected by cables. We can leave it like that, just turn it over, leave it like that. Now let me zoom in so you can see exactly where the RAM is. It's buried under some of these cables here. The current RAM module is a 1 GB module. It's down here, and you can see there are clips on the ends. And let's pretend this is the module we're going to install. Actually, what you'll do, you see this one has white clips on the ends. When you get the second module, you'll put that in this other slot with the white clips as well. Now let's say we want to remove this one. We're not going to remove this later, but we simply pull these clips back, and the memory pretty much just pops out by itself, and you just grab it from the edges, pull it up. That's what it looks like. And you can see here this has a notch off center, and that's going to orient how you place it in the slot. So if it doesn't fit at first, it's just not oriented correctly. This slot should be, rather the shorter part of this module should be towards the front of the case. So let's pretend this is the 2 GB module that you're going to add into the system. Make sure to orient it right. Put it in here in the slot, and it should just fall right in. And then what you're going to do is press it down, and at the same time you want to push in these white tabs. I don't know if you can, it's kind of hard to see this, but you can either press this all the way in, and that can seem kind of scary because you're pressing so hard in, or you can press it in while pressing in these tabs. There it is. So they should just snap in place. As long as you have the orientation correct, then that's fine. I'm just going to move this back to the original slot. This is the basic 1 GB stick that you have. So again, once you get the new memory module, you'll leave this one here, and you'll put the second one in this other slot with the white tabs. When you've got that done, all you have to do is put the CD-ROM drive back in place, and you can see there are screws on the side. These fit into slots, so it's very easy to find the right position. So these just fit in like this. Just drop it in, push it forward, and you can hear that click. It's just going to slot right back into place. You're going to put the side panel back on. The trick with this again is, so there are some slots here at the bottom, and these fit into tabs at the bottom of the case. So you just fit this in, you angle it, fit this into the tabs, and then press it down. That's it.